Hello and welcome back. So today what we're going to do is cold calling businesses for web design and at the back end of SaaS, software as a service. And I'm going to try to call plumbing businesses today. I was supposed to start this last month. I've been procrastinating a lot and I feel like shit. I was supposed to get a client by the end of this month, and I'm nowhere near to getting a client. I know that I have to start cold calling, but I don't know why. I'm really scared. So I tricked my mind. So today is not about getting a client. I'm just gonna call businesses and gonna practice my script I came up with. I came up with this few months ago, and I still haven't done anything yet. So this is the day, and if people are wondering about the chain I'm wearing, this is not a chain, this is a mic. Check, check. So let's do this. So today I'm gonna call 10 businesses for my practice session, and here goes the first call. Hello, is this Yari Plumbing and Heating?
Yeah, that's right.
I was looking for plumbing near me, and I was searching for your reviews and your website. I couldn't find one. Do you have a website?
Yes, mate, we do have a website. What are you looking for?
But I was trying to find your website in your Google map. I couldn't find one.
Yeah. What job do you have?
Yeah, I was actually calling to. This may sound a bit random, but I actually built you guys a website.
Okay.
Uh,
No, because we can need websites to this.
okay, mate. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too, bye.
They have a website, but it's not showing in the Google map. So we're gonna call another business. One down, 9 to go. Call through.
Hello?
Hello, is this KLM Heating and Plumbing?
Yes, speaking, mate. Yeah.
Yeah, I was just looking for plumbers near me, and I came across your business, and I was trying to find your website for reviews and services. Do you guys have a website?
Yes, we do, yes.
But I couldn't find the website in the Google Maps.
It should all be on there, mate. I mean, what do you need doing, mate? What's the issue? What do you need doing?
Yeah, this is a bit random. I actually built you guys a website. I saw you don't have a website.
And we do have a website, mate, so it's just a cold call about a website, mate. We've got one. Thank you very much.
Okay, have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
They have a website. Call number 3. Hello, is this Lee Stevens Plumbing?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I was looking for plumbers near me and I came across your business. I couldn't find your website. I was looking for reviews and services. Do you guys have a website?
I'm just like, I'm like retired now, mate, to be honest.
Okay, so you don't provide services anymore.
Not really, no.
Okay, man, I just saw your business in Google Maps, so that's why I reached out.
Oh yeah, no. It's like
Uh,
been retired for 2 months. It's time to get rid of everything.
Okay, mate, good for you, good for you. Okay, have a nice day.
Take care, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Out of business. Still in Google Maps. It shows it's open. Anyway, it's our practice session. Let's keep on going. We're gonna go for call number 4. Yep, call number 4.
Hello.
Hello, is this DQP Plumbing?
Hi, yeah, speaking.
Yeah, I was looking for plumbing near me and I came across your business. I couldn't find your website for reviews and services. Do you guys have a website?
No, no. Are you a website designer?
Oh, yeah. So,
I'm alright, mate. Thank you. I've got so many inquiries about websites. I don't need it, mate.
okay, mate. Have a nice day. Straight up rejection. No worries. It's not personal. Call number 5. You're halfway through. Let's do this.
Engineer, hello?
Hello, is this Luton Plumbing?
Yes, indeed.
Yes, I was looking for plumbers near me and I came across your business. I tried to find your website for reviews, but I couldn't find one.
No, we're not interested in a website or anything like that, but thank you for your call.
Okay, mate. Have a nice day.
Bye now. You too. Bye-bye.
Actually, lots of people are trying the same script. I think so. People are getting annoyed. Shit. I need to try something else, but we're gonna do 5 more calls. Let's do this. That's gonna be call number 6.
Welcome to the EE voicemail. I'm sorry, but the person you called is not available. Please leave your message after.
Okay, I'm not gonna count that as call 6. I'm gonna dial another number. We are doing this in a right way, so let's go for the next one. Call number 6.
Welcome to Give Gas voicemail. The person you're calling can't take your call at the moment. Please leave your message after the tone.
Nope. Again, we are stuck in the 6th call, so I'm gonna find another business for the 6th call. 6th call again.
Reach LBP, Dunning and Heating. We can't take your call at the moment, but you can leave a message after the tone. Thank you.
Come on, come on. Not again. Fuck it. I'm gonna call the next one. So lots of businesses I'm going through, they have a website, but they haven't connected it to the like the Google business site. When I go down and I can actually find the website below the Google page. So I have to do a lot of search and then I need to call them, so that I'm not calling a business who are actually having a website already. So I'm gonna call this business. It's been around for a couple of years. They don't have images or they don't have enough reviews. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tweak it a little bit. Instead of saying I actually built your website, I'm gonna say I built you a free website, so that they would be intrigued and would let me talk about it, and I can convince them on the second call. Let's see how it goes. Hello, is this Baston Plumbing? Yeah, I was looking for plumbers near me and I came across your business. I couldn't find your website for seeing your reviews and services. Do you guys have a website?
No, I haven't got a website, no.
Yeah, so this may sound a bit random. I actually built you guys a website. It's a free website. If you like it, you can keep it. Shit, they got the hang up. Okay, this happens. Nothing personal. If someone called me like this, I would have done the same thing. On to the other one. Hello.
Hello, sorry, my phone cut out.
Yeah.
What were you saying, sir?
I was looking for a website on your business, and this is a bit random, but I actually built you guys a website.
What?
I was looking for plumbers near me, and I came across your business, and I was looking for a website. Since you don't have a website, I actually built you a free website.
What plumbing do you need doing then?
Sorry.
What plumbing do you need doing?
Sorry, I didn't call you for a plumbing service. I'm actually talking about
You said you were looking for my services.
yeah, I was talking about websites and services for you.
Oh, I thought you said you were looking for my services.
Now I was looking for companies who don't have a website. I'm reaching out to them for giving them free websites.
Oh, right. I thought you said you were looking for plumbers in my area, and you come across me, and you were looking for my services, but now you're trying to plug me a website.
Now I was actually looking for plumbers, and since you don't have a website, I'm actually giving you free websites. Is that something you're looking for?
Nothing's never free, mate. What's the catch?
I'm just starting out my web development website services. So for the first few customers, I'm actually giving out free websites for in exchange of testimonials and reviews.
Where are you based?
I'm in Bournemouth.
Where?
I'm in Bournemouth.
Alright. You sure you're Bournemouth?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Do you want some? I can send you some my website, and you can search me.
Send me a text your details, I'll have a look, mate. Yeah.
Yes, okay. I can give you a message, and I can give you actually built website. I can show you the website.
Yeah, do that.
Okay, mate. See you soon.
Alright, mate.
So he called me out of nowhere. He hung up and he called me out of nowhere. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give him some details about the websites, and I'm gonna text him and I'm gonna call him back. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna end this video right now. I'm gonna tweak my scripts a little bit, and I need to come up with a different kind of outreach, not just cold calling. What I'm going to do is I'm going to work on cold emailing, cold calls, and cold walk-ins. So I'm going to walk into some of the business who are near me in my location. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to keep you guys updated and see you guys in the next video. Peace.